Hello, I'm Michael Topham, technical writer for digital photo, and welcome to this video lesson that's going to explain how to make your greetings cards very simply and easily in both Photoshop and Elements. Personal greetings cards are a great way of sharing your own images with others, and at the same time you can add your own personalised message for that special occasion. They can save you a few pounds that you might have spent in the shops, and you can make the personalised card from the comfort of your own home. We've created templates for you on the CD to help you along the way, and these will speed up the time it takes for you to make the card. More importantly, they mean that you can reopen them over and over again, making the greeting card process extremely quick and easy each and every time you want to make one. We'll talk a little later about the different types of paper that you should use and the ones that you should avoid, but for now, let's get stuck into the technique. To start off, make sure that you've placed the CD into your computer, and then click on the Start Images folder. Once you're in the folder, open up the card1.psd file into Photoshop or Elements so that it appears on your screen. Make sure that you've got your layers and your history palette on your screen, and if you can't see yours, just go up to Window in the menu bar and select the correct palette from the list. This card1.psd file template that we've created has 3 layers, and you can see those in the Layers palette. 2 text layers and the background layer. First of all, we need to delete the Your Pictures Here text layer, so make sure you just select it in your Layers palette and then just drag that onto the trash icon. Next up, we want to add our photograph onto the card, so just open up any particular photograph that you'd like to use. Once you've chosen and opened the file that you want to use on your greetings card, just go across into the toolbox and make sure that you're selected on the Move tool. And then all you need to do is just hold down on that image and drag it onto the template. Go up into your options bar and click on the Show Bounding box, which will show the bounding boxes around the edge of the image. And then all we need to do is just position this image into the same size as this black box. So just take a bit of time positioning the image inside that black box. When you're happy with your positioning, just go down and click on the green tick. With the image where we want it, we can now concentrate on the personal message inside the card. Just double click the text layer thumbnail in between layer 1 and the background layer. So I'm just going to double click right here. You can now type in your personal message and change the font or text size if you so wish in the options bar. If you don't want to type the message upside down, just place the cursor beneath these bounding boxes and you can actually have the option there of rotating it around very slowly, and then just release and you'll be able to see that you're typing in the message the right way round. If you do turn it around to type in your message, make sure that you do turn it back around. So just go beneath it, find the rotational cursor there and just rotate it all the way around once again. When you're fully happy with the image and the personal message, it's time to flatten and save the file. Very simply, just go up to Layer in the menu bar and then go down to Flatten Image. When you're ready to print this greetings card, just make sure you set your orientation to portrait, and you can do that in your print settings. Just here on the bottom left you can see that we can either have the landscape orientation or the portrait orientation, and make sure that you select portrait. We recommend that you use a paperweight that does not exceed 300 GSM. You'll find thicker paper will give you problems and it's difficult to fold. Try to avoid glossy paper as well. It doesn't quite feel like a card in the hand. You can then write out an envelope, stick on a stamp and then post it in the postbox, and your close friend or relative will soon be a proud owner of one of your very own personalised cards. That's all from me for now, but make sure you check out the CD and DVD covers video lesson also on this CD, which shows you how to custom build your own cases for your own pictures. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.